Here's how you can stop sharing across devices on the iPhone. Let me talk about this topic. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So it depends on what specifically you are sharing across your devices. Usually it's going to be done over the iCloud, especially if it's between Apple devices. So you can open up your settings app and see the profile menu at the top of the list. So you can go there and proceed to the iCloud section specifically. And in there, you can see all of the different apps and services which might share data across your other devices. For example, you might as well have an iPad which you are using with the very same Apple account. And it just means that if you are syncing these things on both devices, it will share, the data across your phones or tablets devices. Right. So, for example, if I enable the iCloud Mail, I can enable it on this iPhone. And if I share it and enable the same thing on my iPad, for example, the mails and all of the things will be shared across those devices. I guess a better example would be the iCloud Photos, where every single picture which I capture on this device, as long as I have the syncing enabled, will be uploaded to iCloud. And if I have the same thing enabled on another device, the photo will be downloaded from the cloud to that other device and the other way around as well. So that's how you can stop and cut the connection if you don't prefer that to be the case anymore. For example, there are also some random things, for example, inside of the accessibility settings. So if you go there and scroll down to the bottom and find the thing which is called personal voice, you can as well in here see that you can share it across your devices. But that is specifically for your personal voice, which you have set up on one device, but it can be shared to another. So I'm just trying to show you that there are more things which you can share across your devices. So I hope I can help you out with it. Let me know if you found this video helpful just by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.